Hindi igongona ria kuhumba thumbi arutwo a mathomo ma urimi wa mahiu thukuru-ini wa Ahiti Domba kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga, Minista wa urimi Mithika Linturi ari mugeni wa gitio kuria atariirie mitaratara ya thirikari hari kuhura njeki arimi guku bururi-ini.
That because we are very keen on increasing productivity, we are keen on increasing or changing the breeds of our animals, and the only way to change the breeds is be able to change, to give them the right genetic material to change the animals that we have.
Linturi atangathĩte atĩ kwambiriria mwaka ukite thogora wa mbegu Thuranire cia ng'ombe ni gukorwo igicoka thĩ kuma ciringi ngiri Mugwanjan nginyagia thĩ wa ciringi
But just like we committed, we will be able to get it to the market at a cost that is below 3,000. That's what I'm working on, and we'll be able to tell the country.
Linturi ugite mubango uyu ni wa gutigirira arimi ni mongerera gikiro kia iria na njira ya gukorwo na mahiu mega na kugaururira mahiu maria makoretwo namo micini yao.
That we will be rolling out the program of supporting our farmers by supply of the sexed semen and giving the sexed semen at very subsidized rates.
Ihinda-ini uriu Linturi ni atariirie ati thirikari ni gukorwo ikigurira arimi mbembe na thogora wa ciringi 4,000 guku akiuria arimi kwihuga brokers aria makoretwo makinyararia arimi na thogora wa igoto.
Anybody who has excess maize, anybody who has financial pressure, na mbura nene itanjira imwe ya kugitira arimi kumana na hathara ya magetha mao guthuka, thirikari ni ruguritie tabarira ya mashini cia kumithia irio ta mbembe na mucere uriria atongoria Kirinyaga matongoretwo ni Seneta Kamau Murango marenda mihango yo gukinyanirio na ihenya guku kugitira arimi makiria a mucere.
Ingi ukari niketha ona aria maromithia mucere matie gute mucere wao kana muico content igakorwo nyingi makiria mucere ucio wagurwo wigwo thito gakorwo na ukithuka koguo kaune kaundu kangi tukuiguanira niketha nacio ikigayo matura aria angi makigea oni tukorwo na ndura cia Kirinyaga.
Riu arutwo aya riu aria marikitie mathomo mao ni moritie kwirutaniria hari gutungatira arimi na njira njega kuria mambura maya ni ma mĩrongo 38
ni undu wa graduation ya ciana citu iria igwikaga animal health no ndu wa mbere njuge no wega tondu urimi ubata munene muno ciana ici twathomithia guku tukoyo ni imwe oni
na kurumirira ciiko cia uhaguku wa ugitiri kwa mahinda riu aikari gicigo-ini gia Karomatangi